Hello everyone. Today you're seeing an essay in this video titled Euthanasia, which means easy or painless death. Every living being in the world wants to live. None of the creature desires to die. But sometimes such situations arises when one is willing to die. At that time, he requests to doctors or any other person to help him in dying. The concept of easy or painless death remained a point of controversy since long. Euthanasia basically means bringing about easy and painless death for persons suffering from an incurable and painful disease. It is doubtless to say that those born in the world will have to die a day, but it does not mean that his death on any event or in any adversarial circumstances or in a petty or small causes it took place. Death is inevitable. In spite of such circumstance, everybody fears with death. According to a famous essayist, Francis Bacon, men fear death as children fear to go into the dark. Man desires to live at all cost. It is well-known fact that so many medicines and cures are available for various kinds of diseases and illness. But in spite of all kinds of cures and medical treatments, sometimes disease gets it to so severity and sufferings that a patient does not want to be alive owing to incurable situation. And conditions sometimes doctors also refuse him to be cured and get rid of that particular disease. In that situation, he requests to doctors to give him a painless death or mercy killing. Should doctor accept his request? The doctor, who is life giver, can't take a life of a person. Sometimes when we see a person who is bedridden, suffering from incurable pain, causing trouble, and he totally depends upon others' help, having no chance of recovery from illness, at that moment, his desire to die should be accepted or not. It is a miserable position and situation. There are two aspects of euthanasia: passive and active. Passive euthanasia would be the right to refuse medical treatment which only prolongs life technically but holds no possibility of a cure or a resumption of normal activity. In such cases, the decision should be made by patient, as their family might hesitate to discontinue such treatment for fear of being accused of negligence. Active euthanasia involves a refusal to be medicated and conscious and deliberate decision to end one's life in case of ending in death illness. It is full of moral considerations. Active euthanasia in its essence comes down to legalized suicide or legalized murder. It is fact that life is a God gift given to a man, and it should not be thrown like waste material. Sometimes it also happens that some greedy relatives may also take life of a person concerned by requesting doctors for mercy killing of patient. The morality of doctors are to protect the life of patients in place of taking it. Laws are not clear in regard to euthanasia. In India, still mercy killing is not allowed, and the legal provisions are not enacted in this respect. No person or none should assist in terminating the life of a patient unless he or she repeatedly requests for such an action. It is also important that mercy killing or easy death should be considered in case of severe mental and physical suffering with no prospect or possibility of relief from all corners. It may seldom be utilized as and when all the doctors are off or when all the doors of options have closed for such patients. In the end, we can say that opinions are different in such matters. It should be left on every individual to decide whether the suffering be continued or to end the life of himself by seeking the help of mercy killing. I hope this essay on euthanasia is going to increase your knowledge about the topic, which is one of the considered topics in the field of law, and still India is in a debatable position on such a verdict. So keep studying. Bye bye for now.